Hi and welcome to KidsAlive Church. Are you excited to be here? I am. Are you excited? Well, this is my friend Buddy the zebra. Everyone say hi, Buddy. Oh, he's really excited. Well, today's lesson is going to be about drawing close to God. Do you know what is drawing close to God? What does draw mean? Do you know? You're not so sure? Well, drawing close to God means going near to God or coming near to God, going near to our Father. Do you know that God is your Father? Well, it's very interesting because there's someone that loves you very much, and that is Jesus. Jesus loves you so much. In fact, there's a story in the Bible about drawing close to God. Well, one time when Jesus was teaching, Jesus loved to teach. And so when Jesus was teaching people, there were little children playing around. They were being very messy and naughty. But you know what? Jesus still continued to preach because even little children need to hear him. So his disciples were really upset because they were irritating him. Do you sometimes get upset? Well, yeah, the disciples were upset and they were saying to the little children, "Don't come near, move away, move away." But Jesus still said, "No, let the children come to me." Do you know that that's what Jesus wants? He wants you to come to him. He loves you so much. So wherever you are, look at your mommy, look at your daddy and say, "Jesus loves me." Yeah? Jesus loves you, little buddy. And so, just like these little magnets, let's look at these little magnets now. These are magnets. Now, when we are born in this world, we are put in situations that we are not always happy about. Maybe sometimes there's disobedience, there's sins, there's lies, even unforgiveness, bad friends, temptations. It's just so much of bad things that comes our way. But guess what? When God comes into the picture, boom, something happens. We are drawn to him. He wants to be attached to us, that no matter what comes our way, he will always be there. He will always love you. No circumstances can come between you and God. Look at this amount of stuff that comes between you and him. No matter what is done, God can still come through because he loves you. He loves you so much. So remember, guys, just like these magnets, you and God, he loves you. The memory verse for today is this. James chapter 4 verse 8. Draw near to God and he will draw near to you. Write it down in your books. Take it down in your papers and write this down. Draw near to God and he will draw near to you. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Buddy, did you enjoy today's lesson? I hope you did. Bye!